Sir, gaano kahalaga na makausap niyo si Senator Alan Cayetano para sa inyong Senate presidency, knowing na siya yung pinalitan niyo at para sa mas united na
Well, ginawa ko kahapon, I reached out to all of the members, including the minority members on the floor. Kinausap ko si Senator Marcoleta, Senator Amy Marcos, Senator Lauren Legarda, Senator Pia. We had a very long discussion. Si Senator Bongo, yesterday, kausap ko rin siya. And that's why nga na-elect siya kaagad as chairman of the Youth and Sports Committee, no? Because yun naman yung kanyang advocacy. So, yan naman ang gusto natin, no? Makabalik sa trabaho. And even si Senator Joel yesterday, very clear naman yung kanyang direction is to go back to work. In fact, siya yung pinaka-productive yesterday on the floor, no? Sponsoring bills, sponsoring resolutions, and yan talaga ang trabaho namin, no? We have to go back to our normal programming.
Do you plan to reach out to Senator?
Yes, I plan to reach out to all, no, to all. After I've talked to Senator Camille Villar yesterday, we talked also. Kaya rin na-appoint siya as chairman of the Government Corporations Committee, which is a very important committee dahil we're also looking at implementing the optimization bill and kasama doon ang GOCCs.
Do you see the need for a caucus, especially dahil malapit na?
Yes, dadating rin tayo dyan. In fact, we will have an all-senator caucus before the impeachment.
Sir,
di pa nagko-congratulate sa si Samantha. Okay?
Personally, wala pa, no? Wala pa naman, but yung mga ibang senators like si Senator Lauren, nag-usap kami kahapon at maganda naman usapan namin. Wag na natin lagyan.
Sen Win, may mga lilipat pa bang mga ibang senador papunta po sa majority? Sino-sino po kaya?
I cannot preempt rin kung ano yung kanilang magiging decision. But one thing for sure, sa mga nakausap ko, even in the minority, they want to go back to work, no? And si Senator Camille Villar, isa siya sa mga gusto nang to buckle down to work.
But sir, what do you make of the absence ng ilang minority senators pa sa session, the special session?
Sorry, galing ako gym eh. Yeah, nauhaw. Hindi ako nakainom. Para mawala yung stress. Oo. What's the question again?
Yung absence sir nila kahapon.
Well, I don't want to put any meaning to that. Even before the special session, nanawagan tayo na dumalo yung ating mga kasamahan dahil marami tayong mga importanteng measures na pag-uusapan doon. I'm very happy yesterday na yung CA, no, na-approve yung 85 na DFA personnel and 5 generals. In fact, yung 85 was pahabol yun. No, I have to thank si Senator Ping Lacson kasi siya talaga nag-push yun. Yung original na direction was the 5 generals, but si Senator Ping Lacson pinush na yun, malagay sa agenda kasi ang DFA, kung hindi mako-confirm mga ambassadors natin at ibang mga DFA personnel, hindi magkakaroon tayo ng representation sa ibang bansa. Yung iba naman hindi ma-promote, no? So na-stall yung promotions tsaka na-stall yung mga diplomats natin sa iba't ibang embahada, no? So I thank Senator Lacson for making sure that those 85 DFA personnel were confirmed, no?